Does manifestation work? About 1,000 books, 100,000 trainers, a million quotes and videos are talking about it. In fact, it is the talk of the town for quite some time. And the entire world is divided into two opposing opinions for this million-dollar question. Does manifestation work? Is it just a hocus pocus? Is it a scam? Is it just mere luck? Or is it something that truly works? Well, in the world of modern science marvels with greatest innovations and technology, people who strictly believe in logic and reasoning often share their skepticism and doubt about something which seems like a dreamy concept or a childlike fantasy. There is no doubt that manifestation is something which we cannot be broken down into ones and zeros or any such kind of scientific formula that can predict manifestation. But what we don't realize is that that's the current status. Someday the human mind can advance to such a level where we might be even able to predict and control the process of manifestation. Think about this. From airplanes to X-rays, from atoms to nanotechnologies and quantum physics, from trying to patch a wound to creating artificial limbs and organs, humans have advanced to great extent, and that too in a very short span of time. So we cannot deny the possibility of something which we cannot prove at this point of time. On the contrary, every innovation that we see in today's world was earlier just a mere dream and then conceptualized, researched upon, experimented and eventually actualized. People could imagine and visualize things way ahead before they were even invented. For example, the earlier series of Star Trek shows wireless communication, warp speed technology and teleportation. And now we are seeing things actually accomplished or things moving in that direction. Now if this is not manifestation, then what is? From Albert Einstein to Thomas Edison to Tesla, the greatest mind of the world have been hinting us towards the power of imagination, raising their vibrations of mind and numerous such topics related to manifestation. The problem is people don't know how to decode the process of manifestation and they merely rely on their external faculties or scientific deductions. Whereas understanding the science and the art of manifestation is much easier if you focus on the concept of energy and the process of human transformation, the process of mindset shifting, and most important, mastering your emotions and behavior. Manifestation is real. Manifestation exists. People have accomplished their dreams to manifestation and they agree to it a million times. Now if you don't agree to this, I don't blame you for that. It's natural not to agree on things which you have not been able to accomplish so far. But here is most important thought to ponder upon. You can choose not to believe in it and let your life run the way it does and embrace the way it comes. Or you can choose to believe in it, keep on working on it until you get the concepts right, master the concepts for yourself, and it starts showing the results in your life. What do you think is more beneficial for you? I would complete this video with this thought for you to ponder upon. Leave your comment at the end of the video. Looking forward to seeing you on the other side. Keep transforming.